Hi, I'm Natalie Taylor with AMA Meditime, and welcome to the Cryozet Plus tutorial video. Cryozet Plus offers cryotherapy, hot therapy, iontophoresis, and cold-hot electric stimuli all in one device. This video will show you how to set up your Cryozet Plus, how to perform all the different types of therapy treatments, and all the benefits it has to offer your skin. The Cryozet Plus device comes pre-assembled with only a couple accessories to attach. Your Cryozet Plus comes with an attachable shelf, screws for the shelf, this attachment with clips, and this attachment with the electrode wand and iron rod, a power cord, and a user manual. Take your shelf, make sure it's the right way, and then start attaching it by simply twisting until secure. Now you have the shelf to hold all your accessories. Go ahead and place a big hand probe in the appropriate slot. Next, take the electrode wand and iron rod, plug it in, and place them in the slots like you see here. Next, take this cord that's for your treatment and plug it in. And finally, the power cord will plug in right here. Turn on the Cryozet Plus with the power button located in the back of the device above the power cord. To start running Cryozet Plus, click the Cool Hot button and the blue light will turn on to let you know it's running. Cryozet Plus has 3 different modes. Mode 1 is for your face, Mode 2 is for muscle pain relief, using either the hot or cold function, and Mode 3 is for cellulite removal using the hot function. To use the electrophoresis function or the hot-cold electric stimuli, press the EP button. Cryozet Plus also allows you to personalize the temperature to better suit your client's needs. The temperature ranges from -15 Celsius to 40 Celsius, or from about 5 degrees Fahrenheit up to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. The EP level is adjustable starting at level 1 up to level 50, and the time is also adjustable up to 30 minutes. Cryozet Plus offers a variety of treatment options for a more personalized session. For the first option, wash the client's face with either Histolab's cleansing lotion or cleansing foam. Then choose and apply one of Histolab's peel solutions that best fit your client's skin type. Next, place the wet gauze over the client's face and apply Histolab's conductive gel on top of the gauze. Then attach the clips onto the wet gauze, 2 on top and 2 on bottom, like you see here. After 5 to 10 minutes, remove the gauze and gently wipe the face clean. Next, neutralize the skin by rubbing Histolab's Bubble Clear on the skin for 20 to 30 seconds and gently wipe the face clean. Next, you're going to apply either the iontophoresis or V solution from Histolab and gently massage. Then run the Cryozet Plus on the cool function and take the big round hand probe and use it on the client's face to cool post-treatment. The hot-cold hand probe function can be used alone or after any cosmetic procedures, like after laser treatments to cool down the skin or warm up and relax muscles. And make sure the client is holding the ion rod. For the second option, start with a clean face and then apply one of the ionto solutions from Histolab to the client's face and gently massage in. Again, make sure the client is holding the ion rod. Press the EP button, set the EP level, and adjust the time as needed. Then gently glide the electrode wand over the client's face. This is a good option for spot treatments like under the eyes, targeting wrinkles, pimples, and any skin concerns you may have. Post-care after either option is easy to use. Remove the gauze and wipe the skin, then you'll apply a mask to the client's face. For this, you'll need a modeling mask from Histolab, a cream mask from Histolab, a bowl, a spatula, a face mask brush, a measuring cup, gauze, cotton pads, and a headband. Start by mixing the modeling mask first. Mix 1 full measuring cup of powder and 3 parts water and mix until it looks like this. Then get the cream mask and apply that first on the client's face. Then place the cotton pads on the client's eyes and then apply the gauze and then the modeling mask on top all over except for the nose. Wait 15 to 20 minutes or until the mask is dry and then remove with the gauze. Apply a cool towel and remove any remaining product. Both treatments are safe and highly effective at delivering skincare deep into the skin. Both treatments deliver the same benefits to your skin. The Cryozet Plus is great for anti-aging, acne, deep cleansing, cell activation, wrinkle reduction, and much more.